welcome back to another video. We are going to look over this trade here. So I got into this trade, it was a little too early, and this is just to show you that I am human. I am not a robot where I make 100% all of the time, or I'm just showing you all my wins. I literally have risky days as well. I think we all do, and sometimes our patience gets the best of us and we just want to not be patient in the market and we just want to jump in. And I knew exactly where the market was going. I was correct on my analysis, but I was just a couple seconds off. And you're gonna see here, I did lose a trade. I lost one trade. The second one was profit, and that was because I wasn't patient enough. So I honestly should have doubled up right there when I was looking at the button, but I thought to myself, we're gonna let this play out because I got 2 trades in, we're good. I lost one trade. That sucks. But I knew this other one was going to turn around and it was going to come back because I just had a strong feeling we were going for that pullback. And we were. I mean, everything was showing oversold. I looked on the 5-minute chart to see where the 5-minute chart was at. It was in the middle of its pullback to go up. So it was all working in my favor. And as you could see at the last couple seconds, it went in profit. I just needed another 10 seconds on that previous trade. And I wanted to keep this running here for a second to show you that my analysis was right. And this is exactly what happened. And you could have definitely got in on another trade here, but I just decided to call it. We're done here and be done with this trade. But I wanted to quickly show you this to let you know that yes, I do have losses and I have wins as well, and I don't claim to have a 100% accuracy, but I do claim to have a pretty high accuracy where I lose once or twice in a day. And if I lose 3 times in a day, I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. I call it and I come back the next day. I recoup what I lost. I don't double up on it like martingale strategy or anything like that. I just come back. I take my trades again and I recoup my money and move forward. And I learn my lesson. And you know what? That's the one biggest thing I don't hear anyone talk about is learning a lesson. You need to learn the lesson of patience and loss because it happens and it's normal. You will definitely grow from it. You will definitely grow from it. You will definitely keep moving forward if you hold yourself accountable with it. That's all up to you. I can't do that for you. I can tell you exactly what I did because my students even have told me that after listening to my mindset trading and watching my trading strategy and following everything and holding themselves accountable to it and doing their part, because I can show you exactly how I do it, but it's up to you to apply it. It's up to you to be accountable with yourself. It's up to you to hold yourself to that standard of getting the job done, basically. I don't look at the money aspect of this. I look at the fact that this is a skill that I want to perfect and I want to get as good as I possibly can at. And I can tell you 8 years down the road here, and I'm still learning things every single day about the market. And you always will. So I wanted to put this video out here. I know the video is paused. I'm just kind of turned it into a little podcast moment here. But I wanted to let you know that it is very big to have a positive mindset with this sort of thing. And you can definitely achieve what you put your mind to, but it's up to you on where you decide to put your mind and focus on. So I hope you all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next video.